ene nka be bom tuo
jensen hunu no
me simfi me kam na metna wu kam asa adwuma ne menye bi da wa be pete ne amagu na be ka chem se me toko kan mu tiri so
onua ya dwene mu wo ojai
ene ya sa na tede ya de onto front one man nsi Caleb 3FM
hunu no
o see ye ya kwakura traffic na chi
ojai
ekwen nam ya check Captain Smart nti
ojai
I said, you see, and rather me who say I was more important than the president.
ojai
Fellow Ghanaians.
Because they were escorting the president of the land, His Excellency, Blessed Gospel Smart.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
No, be one Captain Smart and who here. After the moment, presidential escort. Now I invited you to Moto and said, we are calling you to come and open up the space. Wow. Wow.
I don't take short, I take madness. Ojai.
Now, quarter in chain. Who could a Russian pistol? Now, why, but come back to ready. And I'm saying, now what's in chain? What's your boss to say, be invite me? Now what for pistol? Now what crock in the preco? And I'm saying, but why are you who could a pistol? Why and come back to ready? What are you crying? I say, how did you know it's a Russian pistol? I'm saying, what quada? What quada? And what crock in the sun and some from home? Yeah, quahin. The presidency is involved in Galamsey. And now we're interrogating and say, how can say presidency is involved in Galamsey? The presidency, what it means is that everybody at the presidency is involved. So the presidency is involved in Galamsey. And I think I am afraid to say that. Who born dog?
Captain Smart, the king of morning.
Now you have to crow him. You have to crow him. You have to crow him. Now niame ko basa. The so-called security apparatus.
Oh, I don't know.
ojai
Mo yede. Mo na journalist. Me. Ko bisa kanda pa na bisa dukufo.
ojai
Bisa je kufo bisa na ado na mu.
Fellow Ghanaians.
That 2006 nyame na saving in life.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Ko wuti sa akukọ bisa no. Bisa je ni ko ni ko mche bia yeba. Then they see wo kwam ho. Awo kunu nim. I saved another's life. Mo jare wo ho. Bisa akufa do na kasa no ka kire wo.
ojai
Oya na ka cham se ne mama ne yesa me mpo bia ko de ba ko mame. Bisa akufa do. That na ga do achida ko to London or proper gotem.
ojai
Wani.
Bisa akufa do na no ka kire wo.
ojai
Yeah, mo bia njiji mo kwam ha o. Minim baby am fi bad minim baby am ko. You guys should shut up.
Smart, the king of morning shows.
Bisa akufa do so who saved his life in 2006? Musa na do am se Musa no. Say who saved his life in 2006?
Never did anything like this before.
Captain Smart,
Yeah, baby, you say what do you want?
Africa is rich and not poor.
And I'm saying there be me perry.
ojai
You don't need anything. And I'm saying no, sir. My responsibility is to make sure that you live.
ojai
Because I believed in Nanado from 2005.
Okay.
Ask him. That time I sent him a text message. Let me go take FM. Bisano.
ojai
Nenam amemua enkoyeti no.
Me wa multimedia gabe o cheda ko ne ken oforiate ya be fa me call wo mu fie na ben ani ECO opposite no. Me say na me cancel.
ojai
Me do ya said biane lie. Did you open am say big kwado smart. Me ndi mu moduane.
ojai
Who saved your life? Who saved you? Akufado, who saved your life? What you are not to nchen a? Na mema 12 obi akutatu.
Bibini.
Mo kwa che hwan.
Bibini enipa o.
Won't be in Ashanti region.
ojai
Muntime nche no.
Ojaye.
Me.
Ojaye. Ojaye. Ojaye.
You see, Akufo-Addo is the biggest disgrace to our constitution as a president. He is. Because listen, the fourth estate of the realm. Se bibim posia. Now when you're comfortable, you don't use the state security apparatus.
Ojaye. Ojaye. Ojaye.
We are huge disgrace to our constitution as a lawyer who is the president. And you see, and Yamana bassa because abani who bottom for crunch shemunti obia et journalist a wo krom ha nyina ye din obia sro mi